$10,000 client. Weigh all your actions. Okay, give all the things you do on a daily basis a monetary value. Take inventory of it. What gets measured gets better. Awareness is the first step. Broke Bob, okay? So this is how most people live their lives. So I have an Excel sheet here. I have the value at the top, 10,000, negative 1,000, negative 10,000, negative 500, negative 100, 10, and then 0, 10, 100, positive. So we have a to-do list, right? Clean up laundry, you smoke 2 cigarettes, go to the gym, click coupons, and when you fill it all out in the spreadsheet, you have a net negative of negative $900. Okay, and then people wonder why they're broke. People wonder why they are unsuccessful, and that's why. Because you spend your time wrong. Bill Gates and everybody, we all have the same number of hours. That's 24 hours. And then 8 hours we sleep. So you really have to take an inventory of where you're spending your time. Because if you don't do that, you're not going to succeed. If you try to do too many things, you're not going to get it. You're not going to get it. Smart people are dumb. Okay, this is Broke Bob, right? Broke Bob. This is most people. 99% of people live their lives like this. But even smart people, they're dumb. They try to do too many things. They try to make everything more complicated. Everything's urgent and important to them. Because of this, they can't see past what is in front of them. Instead of focusing on a few big things, they focus on a whole bunch of minute details that don't drive the bottom line revenue. Willpower is limited, okay? You shouldn't rely on your willpower. Pretty obvious, right? You must only spend your time and energy into things with the most ROI. Business over busyness. Willpower is limited. Inspiration is perishable, so you must act on it. When you are inspired, you must act on it, okay? You have to take advantage of it, but you cannot rely on that. You have to design your environment, okay? Success is the residue of good design. It's not your discipline, it's not your what. You have six-figure freelance consulting business as a software developer.